Namaskar. Let us now discuss about CDS, that is Combined Defense Services Examination. Now, in case of Combined Defense Services, total 4 options are available. First, that is called as Air Force Academy. Second, that is called as Naval Academy. Third, Indian Military Academy. And fourth, that is Officers Training Academy. So 4 options are available for this CDS, that is Combined Defense Services Examination. Educational qualification for CDS examination, that is graduation in any UGC recognized university. But if you want to join specifically Air Force Academy or Naval Academy, then number 1, you must be engineer, or number 2, you must completed BSc with physics and mathematics as your subjects. Even for Naval Academy, now they are considering BSc with IT, that is also they are considering. So this is something educational qualification required for this CDS examination. But for IMA and OTA, no such stream or subject that is required. Only thing is that you must be graduate from any UGC recognized university. Then at time, suppose you are appearing for that examination and you are fitting out in age criteria, then also you are eligible for this type of examination. What are the stages in CDS examination? So obvious first thing, that is written examination. Written examination is conducted by UPSC, that is Union Public Service Commission. They are going to conduct your written examination. Basically 3 papers are there, each of 100 marks. Out of that, first paper, that is General Studies, 100 mark, only MCQ type, multiple choice questions. Second paper, default, that is English paper, 100 marks. Because we got freedom from Britishers and we are obeying their language with more enthusiasm than these people. So English is mandatory here, 100 marks English, because you are aware that in Constitution also they have maintained and mentioned that for a prolonged period English will be used as an official language. Initially it was only for 15 years. Then increased, and then they said that okay, for prolonged period we are considering English as an official language. So 100 marks English and 100 marks mathematics, that is simple arithmetics and related with mathematics, that is for 100 marks. So total 300 marks papers are there for CDS. But these 300 marks paper are there for FAFA, that is Air Force Academy, Naval Academy and Indian Military Academy. If you are appearing for OTA, that is Officers Training Academy, then mathematics is not required. So without mathematics also, you can appear for a CDS examination. That exam is OTA, that is Officers Training Academy. But first stage that we are discussing, that is written examination, that is only MCQ type. Second stage, that is called as SSB interview. So from UPSC, now you are transferred to Service Selection Board, that is SSB, and then SSB interview, that is there. And if you are getting selected in SSB interview, then there is medical examination. If you are able to pass out that medical, which is comparatively no doubt harder, but if you are able to pass out, then only your selection is there as an officer. Obviously training is there, but first stage is that getting selected over there. Now, can we omit any stage? Can we join CDS without written examination? Can we omit that step? Answer is yes. For that purpose, when you are performing your graduation or your college study, you must join NCC. You should have C certificate with A grade. Then you can have bypassed to this written examination, directly your entry is there in SSB interview. So this is possible. For that purpose, many times we recommend that when you are performing your graduation examination, while that only within that 3 years, you can appear for NCC, you can join that NCC because that is fantastic. Actually, they are giving you very nice training over there. And if you are getting A grade, then obvious you are eligible directly for SSB interview. How to study for CDS examination? First thing, prior to your preparation towards this CDS examination, first approach your family doctor, family physician, and carry out medical examination from reputed doctor. The thing is that many things we are not aware about our body only. So you can ask that doctor that check out for defense services ability. So certain tests are there, vision, color blindness and all that, flat foot, knee joint. So like that, whatever your doctor can perform within his premises, that test you can perform. Then if that doctor says yes, physically you are eligible, then only start preparation. The thing is that if you are getting rank 1, but you are disqualified in medical examination, then they are not considering you. And therefore, before preparing, first appear for this medical test that you can carry out at your family doctor, family physician, and then start your preparation. Now, about preparation. First paper, that is general studies. Total 10 subjects we had to study over there. There are physics, chemistry, biology, environmental science, history, national freedom struggle. Here they are separating out history and national freedom struggle. That means history till 1857 and after 1857. Two papers are separate. Then Indian polity, then economics, geography, and lastly current affairs. But all questions are of multiple choice questions. So this is something about CDS first paper. Second paper, that is English. In case of that, they are testing your knowledge about English proficiency, that is language proficiency, grammar, then your vocabulary, and grasping in that particular thing. So questions are there, only multiple choice questions are there. As MCQ questions are there, they are having a format. Say for example, some underlying part is there. And we have to find out which statement is right or which statement is wrong. Like that, subject verb agreement and all that they are there. Then vocabulary, synonyms, etc. They are testing out that also. And then passages, that means comprehension skill. So short passages and long passages. So like that things they are testing out your, that is also for 100 marks. Now if you are preparing, or rather than that, till 10th standard, if you are studying out in English medium, then this English proficiency is not that difficult. But if you are learning out in vernacular medium, that means other than English medium, till 10th standard, then may be possible you have to get some more efforts in this English part. The third paper, that is of mathematics. In case of that, obviously whatever you have studied out till 12th standard level, plus some parts of simple arithmetics, they are also added, so that everything is there, that is for 100 marks. But if you are preparing for Officers Training Academy, that is OTA examination, then mathematics is not there. So total 300 marks papers are there. At a time, can you appear for both the papers? Answer is yes. So you can click out, say I want to appear for IMA and OTA. So wherever your score is eligible, you can consider over there also. So like that things are there. So this is about written examination. Those who are qualified in written examination, then they are called for SSB interview, which is actually we have to stay over that center for 4 to 5 days, for some people 1 day only, because on first day may be possible they can disqualify you. If you are able to cross out first day, then you have to stay there for 5 days, where they are testing you differently, your mental strength, your physical abilities, what is the commitment and all that they are going to test. And finally, after SSB, say there is no strict rule about the selection. Say for example, in case of UPSC, there is requirement that is 1:3 ratio. So after first 2 tests, that means prelim and mains, they are selecting candidate in such a way that if 1000 is the vacancy, they will call 3000 students for interview. So we are calling this as 1:3 ratio. That is there in UPSC civil services examinations. But in case of CDS examination, they don't have such obligations that out of 3 you have to select any one candidate. So no such things are there. Their duty is to select the most eligible candidate. Like that, we are facing this CDS, that is SSB interview. The third stage, that is medical examination. Now, as I have discussed that prior to your preparation, you have already undergoing this type of test. So chances are more. Why I am saying chances are more? Because I am not recommend you to carry out your MRI and all that. If you are performing that all before preparation, then it is bit costly. So I have not recommended you to do that. But all these tests, a basic test, it should not happen that you are qualifying for mains, you are qualifying after SSB interview and they will detect out color blindness or your vision is not there in their limit, etc. So this should not happen. And for that purpose, it is recommended that first carry out medical test at your doctor's center. And then, now this is, if you are able to qualify after SSB interview, then you are appearing for this medical and then you can get selected if you are qualifying in medical examination. So this is the total process for CDS examinations, that is Combined Defense Services examination. How and where to study for CDS examinations? So we have center here at Dadar, Mumbai. You can check out the address that is in front of you. Swatantraveer Savarkar Rashtriya Smarak, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Udyan, Dadar West, Mumbai 28. Phone number is also there in front of you, 9221849650. So here we can check out, we have classes for theory. That means written examination. We are having classes, we are having coaching. Again, our YouTube channel is there. That is also same name, Savarkar IAS Study Circle. So at Savarkar IAS Study Circle YouTube channel, you will get each and everything, whatever required for study. That is theoretical part. You will get that is history, geography, all video lectures are available. You can go through video lecture. There is test series, answers, analysis of that test series, free mock prelims, variety of things are available on our YouTube channel. So just go through that YouTube channel. Only thing is that lectures are not sequentially arranged. But everything is there. Want to check sequentially? Answer again? Yes. I'm again giving you number 922-184-9650. On this number, you have to send, you have to WhatsApp your name. Immediately automatic response will be there. You will get lecture list also in front of you. So just do that. You will get list of lectures and you can start out. Just click that video. You will get, click that link. You will get that video. So you can study free of cost online. But if you are coming here for center, then obviously fees are there. So again, the same number is there. Call on that number. In fact, when you WhatsApp your name, you will automatically receive that e-brochure copy also, e-brochure link also. So go through the fee structure, and if you are able to join, then join definitely.